transfer and quarantine permit required for land, air, and sea travel. Yun na nga eh. Basta body, ganyan. Certificate of full payment is a fully paid plan. Ayan, photocopy of plan holder's government issued ID with signature, plan, memorial service balance, must be settled to the schedule of interment and cremation. May crematorium siguro sila dito. Ayan, so 7th floor. Ito may elevator naman tayo. 701. Lawak pala ito, St. Peter. Marami po. Kaya kahit sabay-sabay, imagine 7 floors po. Ibang chapel. Nakalagay po. Nakalagay, yung sleeping, catering, and chair setup is not allowed along the hallways. Sa hallways naman pala. Dapat doon lang sa chapel kung saan ilalagak. To help ensure the safety and security of our customers and guests, we request your full cooperation and patience during the inspection of your belongings by our security personnel before entering the premises, and please inform us if you notice suspicious visitors. So, firearms and deadly weapons are not allowed within the premises. Mga personal belongings such as money, jewelry, mobile phones, MP3, music players, laptops, electronic gadgets, and other valuables brought in are your responsibility and should not be left unattended. We will not be held responsible for the loss of any of the above-mentioned items within the entire premises, including the parking lot. Ayan na, yung number 4 kanina, nabasa na natin, yung sleeping and catering and chair setup is not allowed along the hallways. So the use of the car park area is free of charge. Any customer who shall use the car park area must agree to observe traffic rules and regulations. Ayan, ganyan po ha. Okay, screenshot nyo na lang po. Mga trash bins are strategically located within the premises for our use and convenience. So this building is a no smoking, no alcohol, and drug-free facility. Flammable and explosive objects and materials are not allowed as a fire safety measure, and in keeping with local government ordinances, cooking is not allowed inside the premises. Bring cooked food. Ayan. Horseplay, gambling, and loitering are not allowed. Please respect the peace and solemnity of the chapels. Ganyan po, guys. Foul odor substances or materials are not allowed. Ano yung tumulo, yung aircon? Ayan. Sige. Po. Ganito po yung bawat chapel. Ganito. Mukhang nauna po kami dito eh. Ang aga namin dumating. Kasi nung nakakuha po namin yung tawag, na ready na. Yan. Pero kailangan, mauna muna sila dito. Ayan po. Ganito yung ayos niya. Oo, common naman po yung mga CRs. Tapos, ito po yung pantry, family room pala. Family room. Ito yung family room. May sariling CR. May sariling CR naman po. May ref. At saka, yun, initan ng tubig, ng food. Okay. At ito po may window overlooking. May table din po dito. And one chair. Kasi mga chairs naman, marami po dito. Usually, pag St. Peter's plan, 3 days po ang free. Oo, pag meron kayong plan. Ang dinig ko po, St. Gregory, yung kanilang plan. Opo. So, ayan. Actually, brother-in-law ko po yun, yung namatay. So, ayan. We want to serve you better to our beloved guests. Ayan po, yung kanilang mga rules, house rules. So, thank you for your cooperation and patronage, your St. Peter family. Ayan po. So, nabasa na naman po natin yan sa labas kanina. May aircon po dito, inverter, 3. So, 3 actually. Yes. So, merong lalagyan ng tubig at saka, ayan po, compostable waste ng recyclable. So, maganda. So, kailangan mag-provide ng tubig yung family mismo. Tsaka yung mga food dyan will be served. At eto. So, kung magpapamisa, pwede naman po magmisa dyan. Yan po ang table for the mass. At eto po yung setup. So, expected po na 3, 2, and more days. Ganyan po. Kasi kasama po yun sa plan. O, meron po tayong ano dyan sa taas. Okay. May TV. And pwede naman pong anuhan yan ng mga videos ng tungkol po sa namatay. At may lalagyan po tayo ng picture dyan. At lalagyan din po ito ng picture sa labas mamaya. O, para alam po ng mga bisita kung saan at sino po yung nakalagay dyan. Ayan. Alert naman po sila. Siyempre galing po sa hospital kahapon. I-imbalsam pa yan. Embalming will take mga overnight. Tapos kaya ito ngayon syempre may make-upan pa, dadamitan. And ito, dito ilalagay. Sige, antayin lang po natin yung family mismo. Yung holding area, dito po pupuntahan. O bago po iakyat dun sa ano. Ayan.
Tanggap na.
Ayan. Binabaon niya yung kanyang rosary beads. Hawak-hawak niya. O, hawak-hawak niya po yan. Ayan. So, ayan na. Naka-ready na po yung aming kapatid.
Pero nilalabas yan ha.
Tapos po yung kanyang sinuklay, inisprehan, o nakasmile na po siya. Ang artist natin po ito sa St. Peter. Okay na po. Ito mga waiting pa po. Display nila. May mga laman na rin yata. Oo. Wala pa. Yung iba wala po. Ready, hinahanda na po. Dito po namimili ng casket. Okay. Pero actually, kung ano po yung ang plan mo, yun na po talaga. Free parking po dito. Ayan po. Free parking. Ngayon ko din lang po ito na experience dito sa Manila. Kasi taga-probinsya po talaga kami. So ngayon lang po. Ito po ganito po yung ayos. Ito po yung pinakabagong St. Peter dito sa Manila. Ilalagay na po doon. Alert naman ako talaga. Ang ganda ng servisyo ng St. Peter's. Ayan. Ayun po ang St. Gregory plan.
Sa akin, pati lang.
Bigyan, sinigit tayo. Makahuli na tayo.
Dari Bar Batawan.
Oo, nahawakan ko kayo kamay.
Tinanggalan na po ng plastic cover. Kasi syempre po bago pa. So to protect the casket, meron po silang nilalagay na plastic cover. Ayan, ayan. Oo, sige po at nagsisimula na pong mag-iyakan. Sige lang. Oo, sige po. Cut short ko na po ito. Salamat po sa panunood. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Pag-pray na lang po natin ang eternal rest. Grant unto him, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon him. May rest in peace. Lahat kayo, anda na lahat. Seven floors po, 7 floors.